Contact person. Accessed under View HEI profile, contact person details are needed for communication purposes. The details needed are title, first name, middle name, last name, extension name if any, designation, email address, and at least one telephone number. Earlier mentioned form fields are required by the system, thus, if left empty, an error message shall be prompted by the system upon submission. To save the details, click Update Contact Person button. The system shall prompt a message to confirm that the contact person details has been successfully saved.